Are you ready? You ready to judge a book by its cover? Because we're going to create a book cover. Okay, I'm going to do this under 10 minutes. I might do this under 5 minutes because I just want to show you what this tool can do. I am at canva.com, Canva, like canvas, but Canva, without the S. And there are a way too many fantastic, beautiful things you can play with here. It's sort of like Photoshop for beginners, and it is fantastically powerful. So here we want to create a design. What we're going to want here is book cover. I think I can just click on book cover here and do a new book cover. So that's the one we want because that's also the correct size for Kindle and Amazon, all that. Book cover, click. It's going to open a new project within Canva, and it's our book cover. And on the left, when this page eventually loads, then we will see all kinds of different categories we can choose. I'm going to choose nonfiction because we're probably focusing on nonfiction here. But hey, choose whatever you like. If photo book cover, that's neat. Whatever. I think there was a section called nonfiction, which who knows? Maybe nonfiction is too boring. Maybe there's something else that's better. Here we go. Nonfiction book cover. See all. Okay, here we go. I'm going to work on my niece's book, Taylor's book, because I don't know, it's on my mind. And you can scroll through here. There are dozens, if not hundreds, of books. Scroll through. For sake of getting this thing done in a few minutes, I'm going to use the image they're offering and just show you how to quickly edit it. So her book is about better sleeping habits for teenage girls. And it's called, our tentative title is Escaping the Light. So how about either something dark or something light, something fun like that? Thought I just saw something kind of neat. Here we go. How about that? So again, because that says free down there, I get to use that image. Okay. So here we go. I am now editing on the fly. What was it called? Escaping. Good idea for book covers is to spell the book title correctly. Escaping the Light. And then we had worked on some subtitles. Here's a subtitle, but I can't remember what they were. Something like, I'm going to do it terrible here. Sleep better for teenage girls. That's the worst subtitle of all time. But that's nice, right? Nighttime, sleepy, right? Good. Here we go. We got a little from the best-selling author of. Okay, we're going to do something else down here, but by the almost famous Taylor Dines. Okay, I'm not timing this. What was that? Under 5 minutes? Got to be, right? We got a book cover right here. We're done. Okay. Next thing what I have to do is just download this thing. I want a JPEG. Well, PNG is actually higher quality. We're going to do PNG. I'm going to download it. Boom. It's going to download the thing. This thing is ready to upload to Amazon and all the other sites in a few seconds. There we go. Under 10 minutes. We just created a book cover. Of course, there are a gazillion more options we can play with here, but I just wanted to show you how quickly it's possible. Get in here, make a book cover. At least we have something rolling. We can always change it later. By the way, Canva is free to play with and to use. I don't pay either. Here, Canva for work, you get some other stuff, but I haven't seen the need yet, so I haven't done it. Continue editing. There we go. I got my book. I got my cover. I downloaded the file. It's ready to upload. That's it for this. We just created a book cover for Taylor's book with a terrible tagline. It needs a little work, but you get the idea. All right, we're moving on. Oh, one last thing. This image, right? So let's say you don't want to use this image. You can go here, upload, and you just drag your stuff into that upload area. And there you go. See? So I've uploaded a whole bunch of stuff, and I use that. And then you just take whatever image you have. So here, whatever. I got my image I got somewhere else. And also, if you drag and you're a little careful, pop, it'll completely be used as a back cover. Okay. You say, oh, I don't want that. I can come up here, undo, undo. Okay. As I said, there's so much more to this program, but it's really fun and simple and can be really easy to use. It's just playing with it and goofing around and see what you get. All right, we just did a book cover, except with me blabbing, we probably did it under 5 minutes. All right, that's it.